I started off as a dishwasher when I was like 17, trying to make money. I was a musician, broke all the time, and found my way into a kitchen. I happened to fall in love with the fast pace, just the way that the food is. There's just so much science behind it, and it's really good to put a smile on people's faces when you bring that food to the table. It brings everyone together. You work so hard for it, to see that, I can't ever take that away.
For the Tampa Bay area, I mean, we are the breakfast, lunch, and brunch spot. High volume, Saturday, Sunday. Our space is an event venue space too, so we do a lot of weddings and cocktail parties and special events. Alex spearheads all the preparation and execution of those events. As far as like the food and the creation of dishes, we collaborate on that.
I grew up in a Puerto Rican household, so it's pretty much just like Spanish food. That's probably my comfortability in there, so like comfort Spanish food. I like doing spice, but some people can really handle spice, so I have a good way of doing it to where it doesn't necessarily burn anything, but it's still there, it still has that kick. I feel like that's a really edgy point for people to do these days.
He's got a really good flavor profile, and he can think outside the box. We've come up with stuff on the line just kind of out of the blue, and he's really good with flavor profiles. He's good under pressure, he keeps us cool.
But yeah, I do have one of the sous chefs who's throwing things at me like chocolate syrup and tuna. So it's trying to see what can come up with that, like staying fluent, reading different books, getting different ideas for different foods, different pairings, affinities for things.
We're in this industry and we're passionate about feeding people, and just to be selected to be participating in an event like this, it's huge amount of pride for myself, and I know for the Oxford Exchange. And
that's definitely a powerful thing in itself. To be able to turn that dollar into 10 meals for people who actually really need it is a really positive thing, and I'm happy to be a part of the competition that's supporting that cause. I'm excited just to go and hang out with everybody there, all the competitors. We get to see who can do what with food, and just have a really good time for a good cause. It definitely is nerve-wracking, like that's definitely a part of it, but it's like half excitement, half nervous, waiting to see which one outweighs.